All right, okay. So we're doing a quick video. Great today. Great. Trading. We had a great day. Um, I think I had, let's see, right now it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think we started off with like we had 15, 16 that were in profit. And we had some other trades. Um, they went to stop loss. And I didn't get back in those. I just let everything, I didn't touch anything. I just let everything go. Um, 4 a.m., like nothing was in profit. Like they all were like red. And then, 4 a.m. hit and then just boom, just like a rocket, literally at the splice of 4 a.m., the first one went into profit and it just cascaded from there. All the trades, and I just said, well, it doesn't matter what the losses are because the winners will outweigh the losses. And the only way you're going to know that is if you have targets. If you don't have a target, let's say you're trading without a target, you don't realize that maybe 10 of your trades, maybe, 5 of them went out, 5 of them hit stop loss. But if you don't know the other 5 or 10 or 12 or whatever that are in profit, if you don't know that those are where they're headed, like as far as their target, then you're not going to know, or you just have less confidence in knowing that your trades, your wins are going to overcome your losses. And because we have targets that are already set, we already have this information. And this is to our advantage. We already have, the targets that hit. Okay. And I eventually erased them and I set new targets, but hit. Okay. And then this will change over time. Okay. So, I set this up so that, people would know really what to do. All right. And it's just kind of how it reads. Okay. This is updated twice a day, AM and PM time. Okay. And that means that the rest of it gets updated twice a day. Um, I try to do it every 12 hours, but I have to sleep. And so, but I try to do it in the morning here. And then also, in the evening, we just posted, the evening one, which is, all right. That's the final update. Well, today's update. Okay. Now it says AuCAD is getting stronger. Now what that means is this may go from a very weak buy to a stronger buy. We don't know how far, but looking at the volatility index, when this number is higher, the higher this number, especially when it's over 10, the higher the number, between 20 and 30, 21 and 30, the higher that rating is, okay, the quicker this thing changes. And right now it's just, it can go all the way to strong buy and then go the opposite direction quickly if this doesn't calm down. Now, if this calms down to 10 or under 10, then it's more steady. Okay. Now we have these at steady, like these are unchanged. Like what that means is that it's going to most likely stay a strong buy. One of the longest stays of strong buys is the CAD JPY pair, and NZD JPY are one of the strongest I've seen. This just went into a strong buy. So let's see, odd CHF, this is getting stronger, so it could push into a strong buy. And it's a rate of change, okay? Same situation, all right? These just hit, but they're more steady. This more was steady going into the strong buy because you see that lower rating? It's more steady. This is just basically tell you how kind of steady and unchanging it is. The higher the number, the more changing it is, okay? Changing of what it's doing as far as the price action, all right? I mean, I don't even need to look at a chart with this thing. I can just, you learn how to use it and then boom, you know? this getting weaker could turn into a sell and then a strong sell. You see how the ratings are set. You know, I assign these things. And this is how it's been. Weaker means increasingly downtrend. Stronger means increasingly upward. You know, stronger, weaker. Look up, stronger, down, weaker, like that. So it means that it's continuing down. Like when it says weaker, it means this was a higher rating, and it's dropping and may continue to drop. So when you're trading, I'm looking at this right here, and I'm going pretty much, you know, I'm checking it, and I'm going to buy, and I'm going to buy, I'm going to buy. I'm going to definitely buy, right? Buy, steady buy. I mean, a lot of these buy. So weaker, sell, steady, probably not sure. We check the chart. Sell, strong. No, not sell. I'm sorry. Buy. I take that back. We can buy. Yeah, buy. This will be buy. So I'm looking at that. You know, steady. You know, buy, but I'm not crazy about it. You know what I mean? I want to see something changing. Like you want to see more going toward extreme, headed toward an extreme. It's kind of may not hit a strong buy. So steady, I'd be waiting, right? I was on that steady and buy. I'd be waiting, and then I'd wait for it. I mean, it says weak, or I would say weaker. This say weaker, and it's still be a buy. I'd short. I'd wait for that next change to happen, and I'd watch this. So, and it's hit its upper target. So, your NZD stronger. It's a very weak sell. So this may, you know, it's time to buy it. Okay. Your NZD weaker, not time to buy it right now. GBP AUD. So this is how I made, you know, $80,000. Well, I didn't close it, but it's just $80,000 open profit today. And that's, you know, the quickest 80,000 I've ever made within from 4 a.m. to 10 hours. It's like a lot in 10 hours. So, and it was following this. I mean, that's what I'm doing. I'm going to add a second column over here. Let's see, maybe we can change this, right? And make this, my current position, you know, and then start typing that in and do that. I mean, this is just, you know, that's that. I mean, so it's an explanation video, and hope this helps. All right, hope this helps to get, or you know, I mean, I'll show you my trades and just, but that's how I'm doing it. You know, I'm looking at this, I'm summing up everything, and I look at this as a reference to make sure I'm doing the right thing here. I just follow this. All right, as the week goes on, this becomes, remember, this becomes more and more accurate as the week goes on. So as you go from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, it gets stronger and stronger. Okay, in the beginning of the week, it's, you know, you want to be the big trades in the beginning. You know, just be more patient. You know, Tuesday night kicks in, Wednesday, that's when you want to really, okay, going into Friday. All right, that's it. I'll see you guys. Peace.